bones on the top of the staircase. It climbed up in hurry to get them. The number of stairs were written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now tell me which is the smallest number here? It is 1. And which is the greatest number here? 2 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 4. 6 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 6. 8 is greater than 7. 9 is greater than 8. And 10 is greater than 9. So, 10 is the greatest number here. Right, children? So, when Tommy went up, he started from the smallest number 1. Then he climbed 2, 3, and finally he climbed up the greatest numbered staircase, that is 10, and reached the bones. So we see Tommy went up from the smallest number to the greatest number. This order of numbering, when we go up from the smallest number to the greatest number, is called ascending order. It is ascending order. Now let us see a group of children. Here, see, all the children are of different heights. Who is the tallest amongst all? This is the tallest boy. He is wearing grey t-shirt and pants. And who has the smallest height, or who is the shortest of all? It is this boy in the white t-shirt. Now, if they want to watch the TV standing in a line, one behind the other, how should they stand so that all can watch properly? See, here the children are standing in order of increasing height. The child with the shortest height is standing in the front. The height is increasing and the boy with the greatest height is standing last. Now all can watch TV properly, right children? So we can say the children are standing in the increasing order of height. We can also say the children are standing in the ascending order of the height. Now let us see Tommy coming down after getting the bones. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So he came down from the greatest number 10 to the smallest number 1. When we go down from the greatest number to the smallest number, it is called descending order. Yes, it is descending order. Now coming back to the children, if a naughty boy came by, how could the younger children hide from him standing one behind the other? If they stood in increasing order of height, like when they were watching TV, they would all be visible. So, they cannot stand in ascending order of height. So, in what order should they stand? Look, where did the children hide? Well, The children with the shorter height stood behind the tallest boy, so they are not seen by the naughty boy. So the children stood in the order of decreasing height, tallest to the shortest. We can say they stood in the descending order of height. Right, children? Let us take another example. If the dog uses 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 numbered stones to jump, then which order of number he is following? Is it ascending or descending? It is ascending order, as it is going from the smallest number 2 towards the greatest number, that is 10. And what about the frog? The frog is hopping on the stones 37, 35, 33, 31, 29 and then 27. Which order is it following? Well, it is descending order, as it is growing from the greatest number 37 to the smallest number, which is 27 here. Let us see another case. The frog is hopping on stones 30, 31, 32, 33, 29 and then 35. Which order is it following? Well, it may look like it is ascending order, as it is going from the smallest number 30 to the greatest number, which is 35 here. But we also need to see the order of in-between numbers. See, 29 is less than 33. But we have placed it after 33. So, its position is not correct. What can be done to make it ascending order? 29 should have been placed before 30. Then only all the numbers will be in ascending order. See, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33 and 35. From start to end, all the numbers are in ascending order. Understood? So now you know ascending order is going from the smallest to the greatest number, and descending order is going from the greatest number to the smallest number.